booted with the disk inserted, you should come to a prompt like this one. Simply press enter and wait for the installer to boot. It should take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once you arrive at the language selection window, select English and click the arrow at the bottom of the window. Once at the welcome screen, click Utilities from the top menu bar and select Disk Utility. Now, select the partition we made in Windows from the sidebar. It should be called Disk 0S8 or something similar. Next, click on the Erase tab at the top of the window. Beside the volume format label, you must select Mac OS X Journal. Name the partition Mac OS X or anything else of your choice, and click the Erase button. Now, we may close Disk Utility by clicking Disk Utility from the top menu bar and selecting Quit. The installer window will reappear. Click Continue and Agree. Now, select the partition we recently formatted and click Continue. Now click Customize at the bottom of the window. A drawer with a series of checkboxes will open. Expand Patches 10.5.5 ready. Since I have an AMD processor, I'll select the AMD patch. If you have an Intel processor, leave the checkbox blank. Select Audio to install all audio drivers. Then expand Chipset. I have an Enforce chipset, so I'll select Apple Enforce ATA. If you're unsure of your chipset, simply click the checkbox beside Chipset to install all included drivers. Now expand Kernel. You'll select the kernel based on your processor. If you have an SSE3 processor, select kernel 9.2.2 SSE3. If you have an SSE2, select 9.2.0 Speed Step. Expand Video. If you have an ATI graphics card, select ATI. And if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, select NVIDIA. Lastly, expand Applications, and here we'll select OS x86 tools. Now, click Done. Click Install and wait. When the Disk Check drawer opens, click Skip. Install will take around 25 to 30 minutes. After install, you should be prompted with the Install Succeeded screen. Be sure to remove the DVD when possible. At boot, you should be prompted with the following screen. Press F8, type -S, and press Enter to boot into single user mode. You'll arrive at a command prompt, where you must type the following, and press Enter. Then, the following to change your password. Press Enter and enter your new password. Now, type the following and press Enter. Finally, type Exit and press Enter to boot OS X. Once OS X has booted, you should arrive at a wizard. Simply follow it to select your keyboard layout. After the wizard closes, you'll see the login window. Beside the name label, type in root. And beside the password label, type in the password you entered earlier. Press Enter. You'll arrive at the OS X desktop. But wait, we aren't finished yet. Open System Preferences from the dock at the bottom of the screen. From the bottom left of the window, click on Accounts, and click the plus button to make another account. Simply fill out your name, short name, password, and password hint. Click Create Account from the bottom of the drawer. Now, select your account picture, close the window, and log off. You'll now see that your name will show up in the logon window, making it simple to log in. Click your name, type in your password, and press enter. You've successfully installed OS X Leopard on your PC absolutely free.